and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to talk about exporting my CAD data and checkmate segments from 12.1 into a format that we can load into Checkmate 14 for SolidWorks. Now, if we go to our File menu and select Export and say Export Checkmate Database, you're probably all familiar with this screen, and we can select whatever items we want, segments, fits, reports, etc. We can select our CAD data, ASIS if it's a solid, and STEP if it's surfaces. Now, what we have to watch out for is that there is a mechanical desktop bug, and that has to do with exporting the CAD portion, exporting the CAD data. Now, everything's okay the way it is, and if we go and select OK, it's going to prompt us to save our SAT file to a specific location, so I'm going to just go to my desktop. Now, what happens once we save this, it saves everything just fine in this name that we've selected. But what happens is, if you go back, once you've saved this, if you go back into Checkmate, into the same file, and you want to go and do it again, okay, this is where we run into the mechanical desktop problem. If I want to do it again, so if I say File, Export Checkmate Database, select all the options that I want, hit OK. Now, if you can't use the same file name because it's not going to overwrite the old SAT file. It's actually going to append to it. So you're going to end up with extra CAD data when you go and try and load it into Checkmate for SolidWorks. Now, this is a mechanical desktop bug, and there's nothing that we at Origin can do about this. So if you're going to export this SAT from the same file more than once, definitely choose a different file name. So let's go down here and say new file name or something like that. Don't use the same name that you've already exported it to, because it will not overwrite, it will append it. Thank you very much for watching.